Here is a hard truth about modern smartphones. You can have a spectacular camera, or you can have a battery that actually lasts all day. You usually cannot have both. Mobile photography drains energy faster than you can blink, leaving you stranded with a dead phone right when the lighting gets perfect. Today, we are looking at a device that claims to fix this exact problem. This is the vivo V70 FE. It packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery to power a heavy-duty 200 MP camera system, and it changes how you approach daily content creation. If you want to know if this is the end of your battery anxiety, hit that subscribe button right now and let us break down the engineering. I am Fluffy, and let's get technical. Let us get the unboxing out of the way. Inside the box, you get the standard paperwork, a surprisingly robust case, and the 90W flash charge brick. But the real story is the hardware itself. Look at this profile. It is only 7.59mm thick. If you tell an engineer to put a 7,000 mAh battery into a phone, they will usually hand you back something that looks and weighs like a hollow block. But this feels sleek. The variant we have here is a stunning silver. Now, let us pivot to what you actually care about, the camera. The back houses what Vivo calls the dynamic ring, featuring a massive 200 MP main sensor. Having 200 megapixels sounds great on a billboard, but processing that much visual data usually causes a phone to heat up and chew through its battery. This is where the 7,000 mAh reserve flexes its muscles. You can shoot high-resolution photos outdoors all afternoon without watching your battery percentage freefall into the red zone. The images this sensor produces are staggering. You can take a wide shot of the Makati skyline, crop in massively on a single building, and still retain sharp, usable details. It is like having a telephoto lens without the physical bulk of one. The color science leans toward natural accuracy rather than oversaturated neon, which gives you much more flexibility if you like to edit your photos later. Hardware is only half the equation. The vivo V70 FE relies heavily on an invisible layer of artificial intelligence to make everything work together seamlessly. When you point that 200 MP camera at a subject, the AI image signal processor instantly analyzes the scene. It adjusts the dynamic range, pulls details out of the shadows, and manages the exposure. It does the heavy computational lifting, so you do not have to mess around with manual settings just to get a good shot of your lunch. But the AI is not just for the camera, it is the brain behind the battery. The system actively learns your daily habits. It knows when you are commuting and when you are sleeping. If a background app tries to ping a server and drain your power while you are in a meeting, the AI forcefully throttles it. It is an algorithmic bouncer keeping rogue apps in check. This is how you manage to get 2 full days of use on a single charge. Pushing a camera and an AI processor this hard generates heat. To counter this, Vivo installed a massive 4,000 200 square millimeters vapor chamber cooling system. It pulls heat away from the processor to keep your frame rate smooth and your camera app from crashing. It also supports bypass charging. If you are gaming or rendering a video while plugged in, the power goes straight to the motherboard, bypassing the battery entirely. This prevents the battery from cooking itself, ensuring it survives years of heavy use. And speaking of survival, this phone carries an IP69 rating. That means it can survive high-pressure water jets. Getting caught in a sudden monsoon downpour on your way home will not destroy your investment. When you do finally manage to deplete the battery, the 90W flash charge takes you from zero to full in about an hour. It is time for my take. The vivo V70 FE completely changes the math for mobile creators and everyday users alike. Normally, using high-end AI features and shooting in ultra-high resolution means you are chained to a wall outlet by 2 p.m. This phone severs that chain. The sheer freedom of knowing you can shoot video, edit it, and upload it without your battery dying is an incredible operational advantage. You are buying peace of mind disguised as a fashion accessory. However, the aggressive AI background management can sometimes delay app notifications if you do not manually whitelist your most important messaging apps. It is a minor software quirk you need to adjust to. But factoring in the durable build, the outstanding camera, and the engineering marvel that is the BlueVolt battery, this device is a serious contender. We are giving the vivo V70 FE the techbeatph Silver rating. It is a highly reliable daily driver that refuses to quit. If you are tired of carrying a heavy power bank everywhere you go, the silver vivo V70 FE is exactly what you have been waiting for. Do you think 7,000 mAh is the new standard, or is it overkill? Let me know down in the comments. Please hit the like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and subscribe to TechBeatPH for more no-nonsense hardware reviews. You can read the full technical datasheet over at techbeatph.com. I am Fluffy. Keep shooting and stay technical.